Hey guys, Morgan's Maintenance. Today's tool review is going to be something that works with your Milwaukee M18 batteries if you're in that platform. It's a Bluetooth speaker slash phone charger slash also works with a thumb drive, which is something that's kind of a little bit fancy, I guess, in a way for most part. But normally in my job sites, I will use my M12 radio. I like the sound of it. I like, the size of it. It's pretty durable. And I like listening to the radio. That is not an option on this. It's not a radio. It's basically just a Bluetooth speaker. And this is by OHYES. It's a speaker that runs you 35 bucks. It's red here, works with Milwaukee. They also have a Dewalt version that's yellow that will work with your Dewalt 20-volt batteries. And again, it's a Bluetooth speaker. It also has the USB-C and USB-A charging. And then with that USB-A, you can also use a thumb drive with music on it to play as well. But I've already got my phone, this phone, synced up with Bluetooth with this. So if I basically take my battery and plug that in, and again, this isn't really to me a job site quality speaker. All these speakers are just exposed right here. It would have been nice if they put a grill on this to kind of protect those, but I'm not going to be using it for that. To me, this is more of it's going to sit on my workbench for if I'm going to be sitting out on the porch or something or other and I want to listen to some music. I'm going to use this. That's kind of what a speaker I was looking for when I found this. But if I turn this on, just holding down that power button, it's going to sync up. It's going to automatically, I don't have to do anything on my phone for it to find it because I've already kind of loaded up. So now it's connected. I got some royalty-free music from YouTube here. I'm going to play that. I don't know how well the sound translates through your TV or through your phone or laptop or whatever it is that you're watching this on. Is the sound phenomenal? No, it's a $34 speaker off Amazon. It's not like the pack out radio or anything like that. But for $34, $35, the sound that you get for it to me is actually fairly impressive. It's even got a little bit of bass. I didn't expect to get very much of that. So I don't think it's bad for $35, the sound that you're getting out of it. And again, besides Bluetooth, you can also take a thumb drive. Like I use this in my truck radio. I've got a lot of music stored on this. I can just put this straight into this USB-A slot, and then it will start playing whatever music is on there. And it's a good amount of sound that comes out with that as well. I have to stop that or they'll end up, getting me with the music. But it's a really nice option because you could make yourself just a playlist, because that's the downside of this is there's no way for me to know what song it's playing. I can't skip to the next song. It's basically just going to play whatever's on here in the order you put it on there. So you would have to specifically put whatever songs you want to listen to in whatever order you want to listen to them. You got to listen to them the whole way through. You can't skip to the next one. But it's still a nice option. If you're somebody who uses a thumb drive for music, you could put 4 or 5 songs on there that you want to listen to outside, throw it in there. You don't have to have your phone tied up with Bluetooth. And again, the next option that's good about this USB and USB-C is that you can charge your phone as well. I have a USB-A charger here for my iPhone. I've got that on. And you can see if I take this cord now, plug it into the phone, it's going to start charging my phone. You'll be able to see the little lightning bolt, up here as well. So you get a phone charger, a Bluetooth speaker, and then you also have an option to put some music on a thumb drive and throw it in it for 34 bucks. It sounds fairly good. Again, it's not robust or anything like that, but it's an option for you. I was searching Bluetooth speaker whenever I found this, so I wasn't looking for a Milwaukee one, but I thought, why not get one that works with the batteries that I have? And I'm pretty impressed by it for the price that it is. But just letting you guys know it's out there. Again, Dewalt, Milwaukee, that's the only 2 I saw. Maybe they've got a Makita or something else, but usually Dewalt and Milwaukee stuff kind of goes together because the batteries are very similar as far as the connections and things like that. So sometimes even one will work with the other. But let me know in the comments below what you think about it, or if you found some other cheap version of a Bluetooth speaker out there that you guys really like. Comment that down below too to help the people who might be looking at this to see what this is. So hope it was useful. Stay safe. Have a blessed day. And I'll see you on the next video.